जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिय। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशव कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवक्ते नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्ये सिद्धाश्च कामादिकालङ्घ्रवर्धये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरास्मितास्तं वदामि राधां करुणावरात्रं ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्मुखा। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Did you find it? No.
Only cell phone.
Only cell phone.
There's my house if I can bring.
What?
5 minutes, my house they have.
Okay, bring. No.
No?
Go around.
Because I need some. Okay? 5 minutes. Bring.
Yes, he will.
Okay. Cool. 5 minutes I wait for you. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe.
Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe.
Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radhe ko mane base ganga sam base ganga sam sam ji ki murli mein radha ji ko naam radha ji ko mane base ganga sam sam ji ko murli mein radha ji ko naam radhe radhe jai 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 Shri Radhe.
Radhe 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 Jai 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 Shri Radhe.
Oh, Radhe
Radhe Radhe
गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padmo Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupada Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupada Ashtutra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupada Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvendra Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Pri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and present here, all of my respectful guests. So, I'm thinking, there will be in 5 days, no? So, 5 days, 5 morning, we discuss about Madhurya Kadambini Grantha, composed by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, very nice, beautiful Grantha. Gurudev, many times, he gave Hindi class about Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. And also he gave class Bhajan Rahasya Grantha composed by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Two Grantha, 2 books you have to read. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha and Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha composed by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Bhajan Rahasya Grantha composed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur Grantha. Both Granthas is very beautiful and deep analyze how an ordinary sadhaka step by step enter in his Suddha Bhakti, without devotion service to Lord. Because you are very fortunate, Subhagyavan, because you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And you are trying to practice the devotion service to Lord, Bhakti. You are not going karma, dhyana, yoga, tapasya, austerities. So, you are very lucky. Maybe in previous life, you did many spiritual past activities. Well, for this regard, you have come in this line of bhakti. Because this path of bhakti is very, very subtle. So for this regard, everybody can to practice bhakti. Bhakti tu bhadbhakta samna parijayate satsang prapati pumbi sukriti purva sanchite. In the previous sukriti, spiritual past activities accumulated and matured, then you will get the association of sadhu. Which kinds of sadhu? Bhakti sadhu. That means when your spiritual past activities mature and accumulated, then you will get the association of Bhakta sadhu. And with the association of Bhakta sadhu, then you will practice Siddha Bhakti, and Bhakti Devi will manifest in your heart. Anyhow, you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the mark of Bhakti. Mark means the path of Bhakti. You are not going to path of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, and impartialism, how to march in Brahma. Do you want? How to march in Brahma? Who wants? No one. What do you want? Bhakti. Yes. And what kinds of bhakti? Prema bhakti, highest bhakti, devotion service to Lord. Even not you want Vaikuntha bhakti, even you don't want bhakti of Ayodhya, Ram Sita, even you don't want the bhakti of Dwaraka bhakti, Mathura bhakti you want. You want what kinds of bhakti? How Brajavasis, residents of Braj, spontaneously serve Krishna with their love and affection. So that means your aim and object, serve to Krishna under guidance of mood of Brajavasi, Brajavasi Bhav Madhurya. How will you get the Bhav Madhurya of Brajavasi, such as Subal Siddham, they serve to Krishna with their Sakha Bhav. Sakha Bhav means friendship mode. Nanda Jasoda, they serve to Krishna with their parental mode, Vatsalya Bhav. Or third, Madhurya Bhav, their conjugal mode, Gopis. And especially Radha, Lalita, Visakha, how they serve to Krishna with their conjugal mode, Madhurya Bhav. So that kinds of Madhurya, sweetness mode you want. And serve to Krishna under guidance of Brajavasi. So this is your target. Understand? Target, understand? So, and goal. Saddha. Saddha, understand? Goal. This thing. But Madhurya Kadamani Grantha Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explain how will you achieve your goal. Now we have to practice sadhana bhajan and associate with sadhu, listen Harikatha, Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasa, Sakhatma Nivedanam. Iti Pumsakita Vishnu Bhakti Chet Navalachana. For this regard, Madhurya Kadamini Grantha Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explain how to practice Uttama Bhakti. That is called highest devotional service to Krishna. Uttama Bhakti. So Rupa Goswami Pad has given the definition about Uttama Bhakti. What is Uttama Bhakti definition? Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karmatana Kritam Anukulena Krishnanushilanam Bhakti Uttama. Rupa Goswami very nicely and scientific way explain about pure devotional service to Krishna. Uttama Bhakti. So, I am not going to explain about Uttama Bhakti, just Uttama Bhakti. Yeah. So, Madhurya Kandamani Granthas explain if you practice Uttama Bhakti. So, many stages come. Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sango, Bhajana Kriya, Anarthana Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prem. Yes, step by step. And then again also explain three kinds of bhakti. One is called sadhana bhakti, another is called bhava bhakti, another is called prema bhakti. Okay? So Shraddha to asakti, that is called sadhana bhakti. Then bhava bhakti, then prema bhakti. Understand? Then sadhana bhakti, when you practice sadhana bhakti, then two lives manifested. That is called Klesagni and Surabha. And all your class means distress, unhappiness, disappear from your heart. Or simultaneously, Subhoda, all kinds of your good qualification, auspiciousness manifest in your heart. And good qualification, what will give up? Then you will be very humble. Humility will come. Then Daya, give mercy to the others representative. Anyaman, you give the respect to others. Then Daya, Anyaman, Pratishtha Varjan, and give up your own name, fame, reputation. Yes. And all kinds of, many kinds of good qualification will manifest in your heart. Especially Vaishnavas, how many good qualifications? 26 types of good qualifications. And so, Kripalu, Akadador, Sattva, Samasar, Vadanno, Kogi, Takha, Mauni, Vadanno, in this way. All good qualifications. Kripalu, Akadador. Kripalu will be very merciful to the other living creatures. And forgiveness will come. Kshama will come. Understand? Kripalu Akatruta. And someone he will be equal to the all the living entities, give love and affection. Kripalu Kudu Sattva Samasa. Sattva means always you speak the truth. No duplicity and no hypocrisy. And Kobi, Dakha, Mauni, you will be as like a poet. And Mauni, you will always keep silence. What is keep silence? Krishna Katha. And not mundane Katha. Always you speak Krishna Katha. That is called Mauni, silence. Silence means not just close your mouth and sit. This is not the Mauni. Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada. Mauni means silence. What is silence? Krishna Katha. No mundane Katha. Understand? Kogi, Dakha, Mauni. And you will be very expert. Daksha means expert. Skillfulness. Expert, all kinds of art. And cooking, worshiping Thakurji, singing, dancing, playing the different kinds of instruments, all kinds of these good qualities come. Bhakti. So now coming in this way, Uttama Bhakti we also discuss these things, as like, but also Vaidhi Bhakti and another is called Raga Bhakti. Vaidhi Bhakti means those who have no spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. by the fear of Shastra, following all the rules and regulations of the scriptures, and practicing bhakti, servicing to Lord. That kinds of bhakti is called Vaidhi Bhakti, Vidhi Marga. Then following all the rules. Understand? Vaidhi Bhakti, there are many names. There are many names of Vaidhi Bhakti. Bhadpadika Bhakti. One who performs bhakti by the fear of Shastra. Because Shastra or scripture is plain. If you not follow this rule, then you will go hell. So you don't want to go hell. So you have to follow the rules of Shastra. Such as given example, you observe Ekadashi Tithi. Why? Because our scriptures explain. In the day of Ekadashi, all kinds of germs of sinful activities, understand, remains in the grains, especially in the day of Ekadashi. In the day of Ekadashi, if you eat the grains, and wheat, rice, dal, then you will go hell. And you will be suffer many kinds of sinful activities. So for this regard, you have to observe Ekadashi Tithi. In the day of Ekadashi, you should not eat 5 types of grains. So that means you observe Ekadashi. Why? The fear of go to hell. Actually, this is called also Vaidhi Bhakti, Bhadpadika Bhakti, Shastra Anusasanamayi Bhakti. You are following the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Why? Because Shastra, scriptures give the evidence. So many things. Service, you are servicing to Krishna. Why? The scripture explain. If you not serve to Krishna, then you will go here. Jagader Pita Krishna Jana Bhajava Pitriddahi Patagritar Janme Janme Tap. Chaitanya Bhagavat. Jagader Pita Krishna. Krishna is the universal Father. One who does not serve to Krishna, Jagat Pita Krishna. Then, life after life, he will suffer 3/4 of Maya. Jagater Pita Krishna, Jena Bhaje Bap, Pitriddahi Patagiritar, Janme Janme Pap Tap. Krishna is our origin father. Understand? Jagat Pita. It's called Jagat Pita. He is the father of universe. And if you not serve to Father Jagat Pita Krishna, then life after life, birth after birth, Maya Devi, she will give punishment, heavy punishment. And actually this is true. Why we are in this material world, in the prison of Maya? We are in the jail of Maya. Why? Because we did not serve to Krishna. Understand? Krishna Bhuri says, Anadi Bahirmo, Ateva Mayatare Vai, Sansaradi Yoga. Our scriptures explain this way. If you not serve to Krishna, then Maya Devi will be heavy punishment. So what will do? Serve Krishna. You have no spontaneous love and affection, spontaneous no taste to serve to Krishna. But you are servicing to Krishna by the fear of going to hell. So this type of bhakti is called Vaidhi Bhakti. So Vaidhi Bhakti is many names. Shastra Anusasanamayi Bhakti, Shastra Sasan Anugamini Bhakti. Bhayatpadika bhakti. So now coming to this. And another bhakti is called Rag bhakti. Rag means spontaneous love and affection with her Ishtadeva. Rag. As like Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. In their heart, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. For this regard, Brajavasi, the residents of Braj Vrindavan, they are called Ragatmik Jan. Raga Atmika, Ragatmika. Those spontaneous love and affection with Krishna in their heart. Actually, they are called the manifestation of Krishna's Sarvasakti, Sarvasakti Prakash. Sarupa Sakti Prakash. They are manifestation of Krishna's internal potency. A jiva is manifested from Krishna's Tadastha, the marginal potency of Lord. So that means you try to understand. Brajavasi, they are not the Jiva Tattva. Nanda Jasoda, they are called Brajavasi. They are not Jiva Tattva. Sometimes people they mixed. They are not Jiva Tattva. Nanda Jasoda, they are called what Tattva? Parikar Tattva. Eternal associates of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. They are called Parikar Tattva. So Jiva Tattva, Parikar Tattva, you cannot mix together. You already remember. Jiva is manifested from Krishna's marginal potency of Lord. Or Jiva Sakti. As well as Parikar, eternal associates of Krishna, they manifested from Krishna's Sarvasakti. Radha, Lalita, Vijaka, Nanda, Jasoda, Suvalsada, they are called Parikar Tattva. Eternal associates of Krishna, Sarvasakti Prakash. For this regard, their heart, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. So iste sarasika raga param avishtata bhavik tanmaito bhavik bhosa ragatmika kadita ragatmika unisita jasa raganga uchyati virajante vipaktan brajavasi janadisu Rupa Goswami Pada virajanti vipakti brajavasi janadisu. Those who are the eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. In their heart, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. There. So you are Brajavasi or not? No. You are not Brajavasi. Who is Brajavasi? Nanda Jasoda, Subal Sridham, Radha, Lalita, Vijaka. They are called Brajavasi. So Iste Sadhika, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Param Avishta, right? Always they absorb with Krishna Seva, Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti, Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. So now coming to this sadhaka, there are one kind of greed will come. Greed, lobha. How Nanda Jasoda, Subala Sridham, Gopis, they serve to Krishna with their sweet mood. When this type of greed will come, that I will practice sadhana. That bhakti is called Lobhamayi bhakti. Lobha means greed. Greed. You have no money to buy some milk. but you have greed to drink the milk. Huh? Just give an example. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad gave this example. One person, he was very greedy to drink the milk. So every day he used to go the cow shed and ask the owner of the cow, they give me some milk. 1 day, 2 days, maybe he gave. Then after 3 days he will be, hey, every day why you are coming here? Huh? I cannot give free every day. Huh? But you have greed to drink the milk. Listen, my advice. I have many cows. So you can take one cow. And you also nourishment this cow. Then cow will give milk. Then every day you can drink milk. Simple enough. Huh? Because the owner of the cow shed, Gosala, he has many cows. He is very generous. Huh? But you have to serve that the cow, then cow will give milk. It's simple. Yeah? That means he said, Lobhumi Bhakti, the greed, this coming. But you have to sadhana and bhajan. Yeah? Just greed coming or open your mouth coming, everything is not. You are thirsty. You want to drink the water. What will do? You have to go to the pond. You have to go to the tube, where the water comes. Oil. But you think, no, I don't want to go. I sit here. And open my mouth. Water. No. That means what I am saying, because you have to practice bhajan sadhana, because sadhana. You great coming, this is good. But you have to practice. Lobhumai Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti, another name is called Lobhumai Bhakti. But remember, Brajavasi, they are called Rakatmik Jana, just continuous love and affection with Krishna. But we are sadhaka, we want to serve to Krishna under guidance of Brajavasis. How to receive on the sprinkle mood of Brajavasi. Understand? But how we will get this? Greed will come. This greed will come from? Where the greed will come? Listen Hari Katha. Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Madi Kriyatang Jadi Kutopi Labhade Tatrapi Laula Mullam Janma Gati Sukrita Labhade. Just listen. Braj Katha. Then your greed will come. How Nanda Jasoda served to Krishna with their parental mood, Vatsala Bhava. Gopis, how they serve to Krishna with their conjugal mode, karmal mode. When these types of listen Hari Katha, then automatically these types of greed will come. But greed has come. But we have to practice, they will get. Just I give an example. You are very greedy to drink the milk. So if you want to drink the milk, you have to nourishment the cow. Then cow will give milk. If you not nourishment the cow will not give the milk. So that means this way. So two kinds of bhakti again. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. So Madhurya Kandavini Grantha very nicely, step by step, explain this way. Give an example again, you understand. If you practice Vaidhi Bhakti, rules and regulations of the scriptures, and greed will come, then you attain to Rag Bhakti. Give an example. I like the lips. When the first leaves manifest, then you can see that leaves also folded. Then two part, folded. But leaves two part. One is called upper and another is called lower. Understand? Upper side of leaves very soft, snigdha, very soft, beautiful, attractive. And lower part of the leaves, that is called what? Very rough. Rough, understand? Yes. So when the leaves first appear, that time actual lower part this way. As like when the flower, a leaf. This will come this. Look, these the leaves. This side, lower side, very rough. Or inner side, upper side, very smooth. Smooth or not? Look this. Chikna, simple. Or this side, little bit rough. So that means is what? Vaidhi Bhakti. Lower side, that is called Vaidhi Bhakti. And upper side, where the very soft and beautiful, that is called Rag. But that the leaves when first fold and manifest, that is rough side is coming. But when that is completely unfold, and that time lower side going to down and upper side going to soft face going to up. That means is what? This example is that if you practice Vaidhi Bhakti, but your aim and object how to attain the mood of Brajavasi, Rag Bhakti, they automatically, by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, Bhajan and Sadhana, then automatically Vaidhi Bhakti going to down or Rag Bhakti will come up. So for this regard, here Madhurya Kadamini, this example explained. So now coming to this, actually I want to speak second sour of nectar, Madhurya Kadamini, Ditya Amrit Vrishti. Dualism and monism are not discussed herein. Vaishya Kadamini Grantha, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained Lord many kinds of incarnation, many kinds of katha is explained. But in the here Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur suggested that one who wishes to learn about these other matters may read in another work by him entitled Vaishya Kadamini. But here Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, he explained about Suddha Bhakti. Actually this Bhakti means is what? Bhakti means, what is Bhakti? You are saying Bhakti. Bhakti means Seva Bhakti, not other things. Tendency to serve Guru and Krishna, that is called Bhakti. Bhajyate, Sebbate, iti Bhakti. Bhakti means Seva Bhakti will come. How to serve to Krishna and express my sentiments, bhav. Krishna accepts your mood. Bhavagrahi Janardana. Krishna accepts your mood. Bhav. This way. Krishna does not want to do any gross things. Krishna accepts your bhav. You serve to Thakurji. That's called Siddhakara Seva. How that Pujari decorate Thakurji with nice, beautiful, gorgeous cloth. very nice, beautiful ornaments. Love this. And Lord, in this way, accepts your bhak madhurya and sweetness not. You cook for Thakurji, different kinds of preparation. Lord will accept your offering. This thing, not other things. That means Lord is hungry for your prema seva. Prem ki bukhari Bhagavan. You understand? Lord is hungry for your love, prem. Not other things. Because he is called Bhagavan. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is called also Atmaram, Aptakam. He is omniscient, omnipotent, almighty, Sarvasaktiman. These things. Fulfill all his ideas. Aptaram, Atmaram, Aptakam. But when the devotees hankering serve to him, then he accepts. Nano pocharo pujana artha bandhu. If you worship many kinds of, if you worship Thakurji, different kind of preparation, then Thakurji accept your offering. That means is what? Lord, he is called the hankari for your service. When your service comes, then Lord will accept. Otherwise not. And so it is called Prema Bhukhari Bhagavan. Prema Bhukhari. And he is very hankari. So now coming in this way, just I also explained. ये उत्तमा भक्ति कथा साधन भक्ति भाव भक्ति and प्रेमा भक्ति, then वैदिक भक्ति and raganga bhakti. Then I will also explain three types of bhakti. Another is called sadhana bhakti and bhava bhakti and prema bhakti. Sadhana bhakti, two limbs manifested. One is called Kleshagni, another Subhada. All your distress, unhappiness, avidya, vasnita, rag, desh, avidya, pap, bij, pap, vasana. All kinds of sinful activity destroy from your heart. That is called Kleshagni. Subhada. Subhada means all kinds of auspiciousness, good qualifications manifest in your heart. Right? This is called sadhana bhakti. Shraddha to Ashakti. All these stages are called sadhana bhakti. Shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha vritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. Bhakti Devi is seen as like a kripa. So practical bhakti, lata, kalpa lata. If you think Krishna is as like tree, or Bhakti Devi sees as like kripa. Radhika Mani Krishna Prem Kalpalata Sakhigan Mantara Palla Puspapata. Krishna is as like Kalpa Vriksha, desert tree. Or Srimati Radhika sees as like, what did he say? Prema Lata, Kalpa Lata, Kalpa Vriksha. Lata means kripa. Understand? Understand kripa? Kripa. Lata. So in this way, this bhakti is coming from where? Srimati Radhika. Without the mercy of Srimati Radhika, any method, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in your heart. For this reason, Radha Kripa Karaj. When you receive what is called sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, then our life will be successful. That is called Radha Kripa Karaj. Manindra Vinda Bandite Kulaka Soka Harini प्रसन्न वक्त्र पंकजे निकुंज भू विलासी वृंद्र भान नंदिनी वृंद्र सोनु संगते सदा करी सुयमान कृपाकटाक्ष कदा कृपा कटाक्ष whenever you receive the wondrous beautiful sidelong glance of Srimati Radhika, their mind life will be successful. What is that? Bhakti. Actually, Bhakti Devi coming from Srimati Radhika. Without Radha's mercy, Bhakti Devi will not manifest in your heart. Already, Bhakti means is what? Again, what do you mean Bhakti? Seva Bhakti. Don't forget. Service. Different kinds of service. You are serving Krishna. You are doing Kirtan Seva. Kirtanaka Bhakti. Understand? You are serving the Kirtan. You are listening Hari Katha. That is called Savanakha Bhakti. Sravanam Kirtanam. You remember Krishna. That is called Smaranaka Bhakti. Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sivanam Archanam Vandanam Dasa Sakatman Vedanam Ete Punsar Vida Vishnu Bhakti Chedana Valapchana. Without Radha's mercy, how possible your desire will come to listen Hari Katha? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada. Because this bhakti is coming, Siva Bhakti is coming from Radha Kripa. So what you will be Radha Kripa. Kada Kari Sasyaman Kripa Kataksha Bhajana. Manindra Binda Bandite Tilaka Soka Hari Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhu Vilasi Gajendra Bhanu Nandini Gajendra Sunu Sangati Kada Kari Sasyaman Kripa Kataksha Ananta Koti Vishnu Lok Namra Padma Jarchiti Hima Drija Puru Naga Virin Jaga Varapta Kapara Sixty Sat Padam Guli Nante Kada Kari Sasyaman Kripa Kataksha Kada Kari Sasyaman Kripa Kataksha. Yes, Srimati Radhika, when you will give the one the sprinkle, cycle glands, Swara, cycle glands happen. Then my life will be successful. So that will come. Understand? All kinds of service. See. Why then? Because Srimati Radhika. Because Srimati Radhika she served to Krishna also. Srimati Radhika she is called the direct embodiment of Krishna. Seva Murti Vigraha. All kinds of service coming from Srimati Radhika. All kinds of moods coming from Sri Radha. This Janma Dasya Jata Anandadi Tarati Savinkan Sarat Tene Brahma Hrida Adi Kavi Jante Jat Surayu. First sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. Adiras, Singaras, Kanjikalmat. As Srimati Radhika, she is the embodiment of Kanjikalmat. All the rasas, mellows, coming from Srimati Radhika. That is Srimati Radhika, she is the source of all kinds of mellows, ras, bhakti, everything is from Srimati Radhika. These things. So why is it? Because bhakti kalpadata. These things. But Srimati Radhika, she is very far from us. Not so easy to receive the wondrous spiritual mercy from Srimati Radhika. So how will we attain the wondrous spiritual mercy of Srimati Radhika? So for this regard, Vishwanath Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Brahmana Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Mali Bhaiya Sevi Kare Arupan Sravan Kirtan Jale Karha Sechan. Wandering the cycle of repeated birth and death, very extreme fortune leading entities will take shelter at the feet of Guru. Brahmanda Brahmite Karo Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. By the cause of Master Guru and Krishna, you will receive Bhakti Lata Bij. Bij means the seed of Bhakti. Okay? Understand? Two things. One is called lata, another is called bij. Lata means kripa. Bij means seed. Which coming first? Seed or kripa? Kripa. Huh? Which one first? Very difficult to establish. Fruits coming from where? Trees. A tree is coming from? Seed. Seed coming from where? Fruits. A fruits coming from trees. So which is first? Very difficult to establish this. This is true. Mango. You got the mango. Where did you get the mango? Mango tree. But mango tree coming from where? Mango seed. But mango seed coming from where? What is the mango coming from? So which is first? Seed or tree? This is true. Brain cannot work with it. Because this is called Achinta Tattva. Achinta Tattva. Achinta means this is your beyond of your material conception. You cannot establish. So why? You can establish? No. You have to establish. Actually coming from where? From Krishna. Jato va imani bhutani jeno jatani jivanti jigyasasya tad brahma. Vedanta, Upanishad is here. What we are looking in this thing. Everything coming from Krishna. What we are looking? The trees is coming from where? Krishna. The seed is coming from Krishna. Because Krishna is supreme. This is what the Upanishad explains. Jato va imani bhutani jeno jatani. Jato va imani bhutani. Even the material or non-material concept. Everything is manifested from Krishna. So Krishna is the supreme creator. He creates everything. Srishtikarta Bhagavan. Lord is called the supreme creator. Maybe a question will come. Who creates the Lord? Well, no. You cannot ask this question. He is the supreme. Self-manifestation. Sambhu Bhagavan. Understand? Son coming from father. Father coming from his father, his father, his father. My father, my grandfather, then my great grandfather, going to where? One thing going to Brahmaji. Brahmaji coming from where? Krishna. Understand? Brahmaji manufactured from Krishna's neighbors, Buddha's neighbors. Right? So it is a who creates to Krishna. You cannot say this. Lord is supreme. Anadi Adi Govinda. Without Isara Parama Krishna, Sachidananda Vigraha. Anadi Adi. Anadi. Anadi Adi Govinda. So now coming this. Now our question is coming. Just we discuss these things. Two words I told you. Bhakti or bij. Ek, lata and bij. Lata means kripa. Or bij means seed. Actually, this is the transcendental things. Brahmanda Brahmati Kono Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna Prasade by Bhakti Lata Bij. Bhakti Lata Bij. Bhakti Lata Bij means the kripas of the seed of the kripa. The seed of the kripa. What did you get? You got from Guru and Krishna, by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. We are saying this. Brahmanda Guru Bhagavan Ji Guru Krishna prasadi pai bhakti lata. Prasad means kripa, mercy. Mercy of Guru and Krishna, they will get bhakti lata beach. Well, what is that bhakti lata beach? What is that bhakti lata beach? That's called Krishna Seva Vasana. Desire to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva Vasana. Well, conditioned soul, Baddha Jivas, they have no taste to serve Guru and Krishna. Huh? They have no serve. They have no taste. They want to serve Maya Seva. They want to serve wife, children, and mankind. And they want to serve their house, Griha Seva. And they don't want to service to Krishna, Krishna Seva, Krishna Mandir. But by the consideration mercy of Guru and Krishna, Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva will manifest in your heart. They will start to temple. Because the temple belongs to Krishna. And your house belongs to yours. You are saying my house. A temple, this is called, who is the owner of the temple? Krishna. So that means this house belongs to Krishna. Krishna said, you are blooming in the temple. That means you are servicing to Krishna. Krishna Seva. Because this temple belongs to Krishna Seva. This is what you are servicing your house. Because you are saying their house, my house. You are saying what? My house. So you are servicing yours. But I am servicing to temple. Krishna Seva. Look, same service, but different mood, different sentiments coming. Understand? You understand or not? You are servicing the blooming, the temple. That means you are servicing to Krishna. You are grooming your house. The service to your, because this house belongs to me. My son, my house. Look, different mode coming. So now we say Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva, Bhakti. Govinda Seva, your service to Krishna. That is Bhakti. Because Bhakti's main thing is what? Main point, Krishna. Anna, Vilasita, Sunnam, Jnana, Dharmadi, Anapito, Anukulena, Krishna Anusilam, Krishna Anusilam. This is serving to Krishna. Look this. So now, this is a spiritual mode. You decorate your body. Decorate your body or not? How you decorate your body? Putting many kinds of ornaments, many kinds of stuff. And same ornaments to serve to Thakurji, look, Bhakti. Understand or not? And when you serve to Thakurji, that's called Bhakti. Or when you serve your body with the ornament, that is called Bandhan, Karma. Karma Bandhan. And are you serve Thakurji, Vigraha Seva? That is called free from mind. Are you serve your body with the different ornaments? That is called Bandhan. Bandhan, understand? Bondage with Maya. Maya Bandhan. Look. Clockwise, another is called anti-clockwise. You understand? Philosophy. You serve to Krishna. Maya Bandhan, anti-clockwise. Understand my philosophy? Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise, clock, they will go this way. You servicing to yours. This is my body. My house. I am servicing. That is called clockwise. Bandhan. Understand? Take on a rope and binding. And anti-clockwise, opposite way. Serve to Krishna. Then all your bandhan is your. Bandhan means bondage will be what? It is very nice. Krishna Seva, Govinda Seva. This service, all we are servicing, but different way. Clockwise service, and this is called what is it? Anti-clockwise service. You submit to Krishna. That's the anti-clockwise. That means your karma bandhan reduce. And every service to Krishna, karma bandhan will reduce. Karma bandhan, understand? The bondage of your karma reducing. And you will service yourself. That is called bondage. And clockwise. Very difficult to come out from it. But it's hard to Krishna. So I am saying because here Madhurya Kadamani Grantha, Vishwanath Chakravarti Path explained Seva Vritti. Tendency to serve Krishna. Two kinds of Seva Vritti. One is called service to Krishna, Krishna Seva, or service to Maya Seva. If you serve to Maya, then clockwise. Bondage comes. Or serve to Krishna, then free from Maya, liberation. Reduce of your bondage. So now coming this is Krishna Seva Vasana. Bhakti Lata Bijnu, this seed of Bhakti, that is called, what did I say? Krishna Seva Vasana. Always remember this katha. What did he say? Bhakti means Krishna Seva Vasana. You have to serve to Krishna. But desire to serve to Krishna, how will get? By just mercy of Guru and Krishna. Brahmanda Bhavidikano Bhagavan Ji. Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Mali Haya Sevi Karyarupan. Sravan Kirtan Jali Karvasichan. Guru gives you. Guru gave you one. Krishna Seva Vasana gave you. Through that mantra. Gayatri mantra, Gopal mantra. You receive mantra from Guru, Nam mantra, whatever you receive from Guru. And every day you chanting properly, then these types of Seva Vasana will come. Service to Krishna. Krishna, how do you serve to Krishna? Govinda Seva. Kaik, Bachik and Manasik. There are three types of service again. What is called? Kaik means with your body, limbs and body. Bachik means with your speak. Kaik, Bachik. Or Manasik in your mind. Manasik seva. Anyhow, serve to Krishna. Serve to Krishna. Govinda seva. With your body, with your mind, or with your words. So say Kaik, Vachik and Manasik seva. Actually this bhakti also, another thing that is called prema, love. Very nice, interesting katha. Here Madhurya Kadamani Vishwanath Chakravarti. When bhakti matured, that time we are saying, what is saying? That is called prem, love. Understand? Prema bhakti. We are using that term. What is saying? What did he say? Prema bhakti. First I took sadhana bhakti, bhakti and prema bhakti. Look, use this word bhakti seva. The prema seva. You understand? Servicing with your divine love. Prema seva. Seva bhakti. Seva will come. So, how do you know? You are servicing. First, I give an example, material example. Because transcendental example you cannot understand. Because this is very far. But first, bhakti, that is called love. If you love someone, you love to whom? If you love someone, then the three symptoms are coming. Just I give the material example, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Jiv Goswami Path, Priti Sandharva. Very nicely explained. Three symptoms. If you love someone, there are three symptoms. Anukulla Sukh Vidhan. Then so much. And happiness will come, which are favorable for his happiness. That is called Anukulla Sukha Vidhan. Second, if you love someone, then you serve, then so much anubhavet ullas, feeling will come, and many kinds of stimulation will come, happiness will come. Later we will discuss this. Third, that time you will be one-pointed with him, and how to give more and more pleasure. And that time only your desire, hidaya vasana will come. How to serve to him, how to give more and more, give pleasure to him. How will you be pleased? So now coming in this, first I will give material example. I am not giving activation at Jiva Goswami Par, Priti Sandarbha. Priti Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami. I remember when I first came in Mathura, that time Gurudev, he gave Priti Sandarbha class. Very nice, beautiful Priti. Yes? One poor Brahmana. He had one son, wife, but he can't to maintain his family. So for this regard, he left his house and told his wife, listen, I am going to far country, and maybe I will find out one job, work, then I will send money for you and my son. Then the wife told, okay. Then that Brahman, he left his house, he went very far country, understand, and doing hard work. Then doing hard work and earning little money. But that money he did not spend for himself. Just little bit money he spent for his life, maintain something. Understand? Just he is taking, what is it called? English what? That is called hand to mouth. Little. And give an example, maybe per day he earned Indian money 100 rupees. How many rupees? 100 rupees. 10 rupees just he spent for maintaining his life. Per day. 10 rupees. Little bit chapati, dal, and taking rest under the tree, no house, nothing. Taking rest, just. And working hard work, and maybe, what is it called? Driving the rickshaw. And hire, many people also India, poor people, they hire the rickshaw. Is it rickshaw? 3 rupees. And hiring, get profit maybe 100 rupees per day. He's sleeping, where is he sleeping? He cannot rent the house. You have a house, you are renting, okay? But that person, riskawala, very poor. How much per day? How much money? He earned 100 rupees. But 10 rupees just he spent for himself. And 90 rupees, what is doing? He sent his wife and his son money per day. Why? Because he is thinking, this is my responsibilities. How to maintain the life of my son and my wife. Very far country, and maintain his life, just eating little bit chapati and dal. And where is sleeping? Where is sleeping? Under the tree. No house, nothing. Cold, winter or rain, summer, don't care. Why? Because his aim and object, how to my wife and son will be happy. So for this regard, every day he said how much rupees? 90 rupees. So this is called the Anukulla Sukha Vidhan. This is aiming object, how my wife and son will be together. Okay, so I told you, every day he spent how much rupees? No, sent his 90 rupees. Okay, now next letter has come in front of him. His wife wrote the letter. To my husband, I received you 90 rupees. And that rupees I spent for my son, for his milk, for his food. Now son is growing up, very happy, very healthy, delicious. Very good. This letter has come. Dekho, why is it? Because his wife wrote this letter. Oh my husband, you sent this money, 90 rupees. That money I spent for my son, baby. I arranged the milk, food, everything for my son. And baby is very nicely growing up. Understand? Very delicious, body is very delicious, and laughing, joking, and everything engaging with each other. Because wife is very clever and wrote very nice, beautiful, what is called ornamental words, Alamkari word, very nice. And this is true also. In one poor people, 90 rupees enough. When that person, what is his name? Rickshaw. Now. Because he is driving the rickshaw. When rickshawala, he read this letter from his wife. So much happiness coming or not? My endeavors, chesta, now successful. Because I earn this money for the pleasure of my son and wife. Look, she read the letter from his wife. What letter now? She did not go at his village. He did not go his village. He did not see his wife, his son. Maybe 1 year, 2 years. He did not go his village house. But just he read the letter from his wife. Heart overjoyed now. That Sanskrit word that is called Anubhavita Ullas. So much happiness comes. And he's thinking my life is successful, all my endeavors now successful. Because I am doing hard work. Why I am doing hard work? Why doing hard work? Why are you earning money? If you think to maintain your life, little money is enough for you. Just 10 rupees I told. The rickshawala, he maintained his life, how many rupees? 10 rupees. But 90 rupees he spent for his wife and son. But he is suffering. And 10 rupees cannot maintain your life. And he is not doing any things. But when he read that the letter from his wife, but I told, his wife wrote this letter, very nice, beautiful, ornamental words. And especially glorified about his son, how his son very beautiful, delicious, and now he is very healthy, his cheeks is very rasgulla, and smiling face, engaging, very nice. Look at it. When he is reading the letter, just in his mind coming imagine it. He did not see his son. 1 year, 2 years he did not see his son. But letter is coming, and letter very nicely ornamental way wife wrote. Then his mind completely absorbed. How is my son? Now he is walking step by step and speaking mama, mama, papa, 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 mama, mama, mama. David speaking. this riskawala just again and again. Not one time. How many times he is reading? Again and again. And remembering his son. How is my beautiful son is walking? He did not see. Look again. He did not see. Just he read the letter. Just how his heart is over there. Ullah, there is no ullah, happiness. Then what is it again? Third, one party. Again and again, so much enthusiastic coming. I do have one more. My son is now growing up, and then he had to go to school. And my wife had to admit into school. And then one day he will be learned scholar. One day he will be lawyer, doctor. And when my son will be lawyer, doctor, there is no need to driving the rickshaw. My son, he will be take care of me. Look, let this come. So for this regard, he is what? More enthusiastic. Did do more work. Now before he was earning how much day per day? 100. Now he thinking I will earn more. Maybe 200, 500. Do hard work more. And all money I will send my wife, my son. Look this thing. You send your money for whom? Look at it. You are staying here, are sending money and do hard work. And 1.8. Your mind is only 1.8. How my son and wife will be? Please. Again letter come. Next time letter come. Then wife again wrote this letter. Oh my husband. Now my son is grew up. Maybe 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Now he is admitted in the school. And he is going to school. He is learning this. I also told. The wife wrote very nice, beautiful, ornamental words. Kavita. When you read this letter, heart is over more and more. Do the hard work more. Seva Vitti Khan. Then service. In this way, maybe 10, 15 years, but 20 years passed. After 20 years, he did not see his son and wife. But he is doing hard work. And all his energy, all his money, he sent his wife and son. One day, this is true. One day his son become lawyer, doctor. Oh, his wife saw. Oh, my husband, look, this is your son. He is now lawyer, doctor. He is the cream of the society. Then his heart is overjoyed and he is very proud. Then he embraces his son. Life is successful because I give all my energy, all my university to give you. So we should not ever jump the same path. Actually, this is the love. This is material love. We are discussing what is called? This is called material love, not the transcendental love. In the same way, just apply towards Krishna. Sadhu Krishna. You did Krishna. But when you servicing, listen Hari Katha, serving Krishna. When your bhajan, sadhana will mature. Look, how it's very powerful. Even this material love, this types of happiness, to what we say to the transcendental love. But the transcendental love coming from mercy of Guru and Krishna. What is your Guru Krishna? ब्रजवास है अंगत्वमयी सेवा है साथ कृष्ण अंडर गाइडेंस ऑफ सुपरदेव नरोत्तम दास कबे लोकनाथ मोरे संगे लया जावे सिरूपेर पाद पद्मे मोरे समर्पिवे हेन की होइबे मोर नर्म सखी गणे अनुगत नरोत्तमे करिबे शासने শুনিয়াছি সাধু মুখে বলে সর্বজন শিরূপের কৃপায় মিলে যুগল চরণ Muri Sunday where Jagannatha is regulate and take me with him and offer to Lotus feet of Rupa Goswami Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari give me service to Lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Radha Seva. Balo Sri Rupa Goswami Padi ki Govinda Bala Hari Gopala
Govinda Hari Gopala
Govinda Bala Hari Gopala
Govinda Hari Gopala
Giridhari Samanupano Hari
Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Samanupano Hari
Giridhari Samanupano Hari
Radha Ramana Giridhari Giridhari Samanupano Hari
Putih Narad, baik putih. Jasomati Nandana Brajavara Nagara Gokula Ranjana Kana Jasomati Nandana Gopi Parana Dhana Madana भक्ति वेदांत सरवमन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, सुरनारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, गोस्वामी महाराज की जय, भक्ति सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद की जय, रूपानुग वरुण की जय, जय गोविंदोद्धन श्री गिरिराज महाराज की जय, राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड ललिता विभाग जिंदगी श्री मोहम्मद मंदिर मंदिर बिलास जिंदगी हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, सभी गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, सुभद्रा जी की जय, श्री राधा रमण बिहारी जी की जय, सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि की जय, पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, सभी गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे कृष्ण भक्ति करे देवी सत्तवती वंशा कल्पनमुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां